welcome back to another vlog. I'm learning that you kind of have to just take the slow days with the fun days, and so like I'm slowly suffering today and yesterday and the day before. I'm quite a boring person, but shout out to the comment of the day. I love seeing other moms go off and comment and stuff. I think it's pretty cool. Shout out to you. Anyways, today not too much is happening. We're gonna go hang out at McDonald's. That's all I really have. That's it. And then we'll go to Spirit and try on Halloween costumes, and then be boring for the remainder of the next few days. Unless I come up with something really cool, which I'm pretty good at if I really, really want to. And I'm starting to really, really want to. So let's go make a quick breakfast, right? Right. You want some? You want some protein? Okay. I thought I'd show you like my outfit, question mark. I got like this cute little like skirt thing. Cute, right? A little shirt. I did have it tucked. I don't know if I like it. I don't know. Oh, what was that? No, don't touch. I see ya. Whoa, that's cool. Yeah. I know. One day you will. Lucas?
Yeah, Lucas.
Lucas.
What that one?
That'd be 12. Brain freeze?
Yeah.
Good stuff? Uh-oh, get your shoe out. What's on her toe? Come out wherever you are. I know you're in there. So are you. And you. You want to eat him. You want to push him away, her away. Alright. Too much. As soon as I pull the worms out, look who came out and about. Hello, little friend. Hello. So cute. He is so cute.